before implementing the project. Despite modifying the proposal many times, KLEADER cooperated with us to amend the plans and quotations patiently. During the discussion, by using the Zoom app, thanks to KLEADER's professional knowledge, its staff pointed out some design errors, which contributed to avoiding detours. We even request that KLEADER's specialist visit our site to confirm whether the plan can go smoothly. They taught us how to lay the cables before placing the order for the equipment and left the wiring sketch drawn by their staff for us. When we were in the execution state of the project, KLEADER offered door-to-door service. They arranged for a technical expert to come into our country to guide us in installing and debugging the multimedia devices. We achieved the installation of multimedia devices without facing tough issues. We are delighted to the next cooperation with KLEADER.